Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to do a plant tour video. We're going to go over my loft today, and then we'll go room by room in future videos so you can see where I have my plants situated in different parts of my home. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So first off, I've got my plant here. This is my Monstera Deliciosa. This is the one that I showed in my plant collection video. So I don't have him on the stand currently because he's sitting on a stool, wooden stool thing here. But he's looking really good. And he's got a new leaf. Remember I was telling you guys that I was so excited and waiting for him to have like split leaves. Well, I have a new leaf here. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll do a close-up later. But he's got 2 holes in this one, so I'm so excited. But right here is an east-facing window, so he gets plenty of light, but not too close to the window where, you know, the sun will hit his leaves. So he seems to be really happy here. He has a tendency to want to be closer to the window. So if you can tell, he's not quite like even. You could tell that he was like right here. So he was facing this way towards the window. So what I do is I rotate him just a little bit so that way I have nice even growth on the plant. And so he seems to be really happy in this location. So let me show you a few other spots where I have my plants. Okay, so right here where my TV console and TV is, I've got my Marble Queen Pothos looking really pretty. And I think this is the NJoy Pothos. I'm not seeing a lot of growth on him yet, so if you guys have any tips, let me know because I really love this plant. But really beautiful plant. And this one's absolutely gorgeous as well. I can't wait to start seeing some cascading vines on him. It's gonna look really cute. But these 2 are fairly new plants. I've had them for maybe 3 or 4 months now. And to the right, I've got my pink Arrowhead plant. I've had this one for almost 2 years and he's doing really well. I had 3 stems on him, and when I repotted him, for whatever reason, the other stem died, and then this leaf won't uncurl, so I have no idea what's going on with this one. But I am getting a new baby leaf, so I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the last plant I have in this space, and I believe this is a Dracaena, or I don't know if it's a cane plant. I'm not sure. If you guys know, leave a comment below. Had him for about a year, so he's looking pretty good. He does get these brown tips occasionally, and I don't know if it's due to too much water. But overall, I've had him for a while and he's doing really well. I actually have 2 of these guys because I really like this plant. Let me show you around the room so you guys get an idea of how they're situated in this space. Alright you guys, so that is all I have for you guys today. If you liked watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.